Coming to our Thanksgiving dinner tonight. As you know, in the US, Thanksgiving dinner is traditional. Historically, it was the colonizers' way of giving thanks for a peaceful life in the new continent known as the United States. But since then, I think in the Christian faith, it has been now a tradition to celebrate Thanksgiving, to thank God for all the blessings that we have received.
Amen.
And of course, you know why I'm very thankful. I'm very thankful for the gift of life, for the gift of liberty, and for the gift of friendship. As I have said to many of you, when I thought I was going to fly to Austria, I could not thank all of you enough for the kindness and the love that you have shown. And of course, all of us have a reason to be thankful, but because it's 8 o'clock in the evening, I propose that we eat, and before we have dessert, we pause, and each of us will share a minute, 30 seconds to a minute for what we are thankful for. Okay? So, tonight, I'm very thankful for the friendship that you have shown, for the love that has enabled me to enjoy my stay at the Hague, even if, for all intents and purposes, I am alone and without family. I may not be with my wife and 2 children, but I am with a community of a very loving group of people whom I can refer to as my true family. So that's what I'm thankful for. Thank you again, and let's all be thankful later. But we will eat first, and I propose first. Cheers! So everyone.
Cheers, everyone! Happy Thanksgiving!
Now, let's drink, and then Chloe will lead us in prayers. Okay?
Sister ko yan, bagong sister.
Okay, Chloe, lead us in prayer. Okay, let's all rise.
Ako